Hi.
Hi.
We're gonna get our laundry. Oh, I thought you turned that way, so that's why I moved
Third
it. And
video in a row, and I cannot find my
Wait,
keys.
third?
Third video in a row of us doing laundry, and I can't
right.
find my keys.
I don't know if I'll post the other one. We'll see. I haven't watched it yet. It'll be a surprise. Sorry, I'm about to drop my keys, so that's what that was. Okay. Is that all I have? Yeah.
Wait, show.
Oh. Monty.
I'm sorry. It wasn't my fault.
Sorry.
You should be sorry.
I'm not really sorry.
Fuck you, bitch. Fuck you. Stop. Stop doing that.
It looks like you're down a really far tunnel.
You're right.
So weird. No. Is anyone there? No. Okay, good. Ew, what is dripping? People are gross. I don't even want to know.
Right?
Hopefully it's not as hot in there. That's earlier.
Should I check my mail again?
Oh yeah, you might have gotten something in that like hour.
I hope no one took out my clothes.
Hopefully not. Oh, mine's still not done. It has 2 minutes. There's no one in here. Say hello.
Hello.
I'm gonna turn up the brightness for now so we can actually see what's going on. Look at all that spinning.
Look at all that clothes.
Hey. Monty's got her clothes. Can I even see you? Watch as Monty. I won't do that to you. So these are all out of order. Still. I thought someone was coming in. Well, that's the outdoors. I used to have a view of that house from my old room. Look at all the birds!
Oh my god! Look at them! Look at all those. Are they ducks? Look at all those ducks.
Look at all those ducks. Look at all those chickens. Anyway, that was exciting. That's about as exciting as it gets. Could you see them? Let's see. I'm just gonna watch them until my laundry's done. Sorry. Don't fall. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna put you on the ground while you're just gonna stay there in a weird view of me. Okay, I'm gonna put this there. I felt uncomfortable. I'm like, sorry. Monty's throwing socks at me. She hates me.
I do hate you so
I hate you.
Oh,
Peace.
I just like trying to get my bra out of the dryer and it like hit me in the chest.
Monty,
really
you don't
hurt.
want YouTube knowing you wear bras.
Oh my god, it's almost as if I'm a female. How?
Ew,
Oh my
Monty.
goodness. I
Ew.
exploited Victoria's Secret.
Monty, you wear bras?
Oh my god.
It's so gross.
It's supposed to be a
Ew.
secret. Victoria's Secret.
That's disgusting.
You're disgusting.
You disgust me. Ugh. So gross. You give up.
I gave up on trying to like counterpoint you. That's not the word. I don't know.
You're little geese. I'm watching them.
Look at all dudes. Are they geese or ducks?
I don't know.
I didn't go to
I like them.
bird school. Aviation school. Right?
Getting all that lint. Mmm. I showed it to you. How did I beat you still? Monty.
I'm still in everything.
I think I left my keys at the bottom of this, so hopefully yours aren't at the bottom.
What?
I left my keys at the bottom of my laundry basket.
Smart.
Oh, hi. Sorry, I was covering that. Monty.
I'm sorry.
Monty.
I'm sorry.
Monty.
I can't tell. I'm too short. I can't tell if there's stuff in there still.
I like your cat pajamas for their dogs. I'm gonna cover it for you. Okay.
Don't put it on me.
So mean. They didn't